Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. We'll demonstrate right here, guys, on a 2012 Ford F-150, but even if you have a different year, it will work as well. Before we guys start, let me explain. You will guys have two fuse boxes, but we'll need to work the one that's right under the hood. When you open the hood above the radiator, you have that fuse box here. When you open the lid, you're going to see your fuses and you will face them that way. You will be on this side and the relays here will be facing the windshield. Before we start, let's explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your money and time. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse, guys, that you will need to check specifically for upstream and downstream oxygen sensors will be located in that row right here. And if you come to the second fuse right here, that's a 20 amp fuse. That's the fuse, guys, that's super important fuse for your engine. It's for other things as well. We have multiple videos on the channel that will explain that. If you need to buy replacement fuses and relays at a really good price, check out the link in the description of the video below. It will talk about that. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.